Barry Silbert, the founder of Digital Currency Group and one of the earliest institutional Bitcoin investors, has said he looks for projects with 100x to 500x potential, and he believes Bittensor fits that category. That's a huge statement. Not 2x, not 5x, not even 10x, 500x potential. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about Bittensor, which is my number one pick for crypto. And using 25 years of investing experience, I'm going to finish with how I think how you should be approaching crypto and investing in general. The Bitcoin moment he saw in Tau. What's surprising is that Silbert didn't buy Tau straight away, just like Bitcoin. He ignored it at first. His own team kept bringing it to his attention, and for 6 months, he studied the technology, the people, the community, the mission, and he said something very powerful. He came to the same conclusion he did with Bitcoin. If I don't get involved, I'll regret it big time. That's how transformational investments feel in the early days. They don't look obvious. They look confusing, experimental, early. And that's why most people miss them. Not because they weren't available, but because they didn't do the work. Hopefully the info in this video encourages you to have a little look at Tau yourself, to do your own research. And a perfect starting point is CM Kid's excellent free audiobook here on YouTube. The link can be found below in the description. The big idea. Let's simplify this so anyone watching can understand. Because Bittensor is confusing at first. Bitcoin monetized security. Bittensor is trying to monetize intelligence. Instead of miners competing to secure the network, you have developers, machines, AI models competing to produce useful outputs. And the best performers get rewarded. So it becomes a global marketplace for intelligence. Now think about the timing. We are entering a world where AI will be the most valuable resource, the most competitive industry, the foundation of entire economies. And Bittensor is trying to build the open, decentralized version of that system. That's why this is not just another altcoin, it's an entirely new economic model. If this is a bit confusing or a bit boring, you need to keep watching. Because if you don't learn about AI, if you don't invest into AI, you get left behind, in my humble opinion. Why the subnet model changes everything. This is the part most people still don't quite understand. Inside Bittensor, you have subnets. Each subnet is a real use case, a real competition, a real product, and they're working on things like drug discovery, prediction markets, data infrastructure, storage, robotics. Each one creates value, but all of that value flows back to Tau. So instead of betting on which AI crypto wins, you're investing in the infrastructure layer for all of them. And we've already seen how powerful that model is in crypto. You didn't need to pick Uniswap, OpenSea, Aave, etc. if you want Ethereum. That's the same thesis. As CM Kid says, it's like Alphabet being the parent company behind YouTube, Google, Google Ads, Google Maps, etc, etc. By the way, if this info resonates, if you want to protect your financial future, hit subscribe so we can build wealth together. The real reason Barry Silbert says 500x. This is where most retail investors get it wrong. They think, will it 500x in the next 6 months? But venture investors think, is the market big enough? And is the starting point small enough? Bitcoin is already worth over $1 trillion at the time of recording. For Bitcoin to 500x, it would have to absorb basically the entire global financial system. That's why Silbert says Bitcoin can still do really well, but not 500x. More like 10x if you zoom out maybe 5 years. Smaller, earlier networks, that's where asymmetric returns live. And this is a venture capital mindset, not a trader mindset. The current market cap for Tau is about $2 billion. To 500x, that would mean $1 trillion. Can it happen? For me, yes, it can happen. Eventually, in like 5 or even 10 years, but not this cycle. But if I put my optimistic hat on, I can see 50x, so that would be $100 billion. This is just my opinion, and nothing I say should be taken as financial advice, as always. And the full disclaimer can be found below in the description. Most altcoins will fail. And this is where I'm going to bring this video back to reality a bit. Because the fact is, most altcoins will not make it. This is a common opinion with literally everyone who talks about crypto here on YouTube and on X. Some will go to zero. That's not negativity, that's maths. So if you're building your entire financial future on one coin. You're not investing, you're gambling. Yes, I am really bullish on Tau, but as an investor, I've learned over the years that diversification is a must and is one of the best ways to protect yourself as an investor. How real wealth is actually built. This is the part this channel stands for. Because after 25 years of investing and after building six figures across multiple asset classes, I know wealth is not built in one cycle, like some of the crypto bros or TikTok experts will lead you to believe. It's built through consistency, education, time, diversification. For me personally, again, not advice, a really well put together portfolio looks like this. Core layer includes global index funds, pensions inside tax efficient accounts like a stocks and shares ISA here in the UK, growth layer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe a high risk, high reward play like Tau. That's how you combine opportunity and protection. Let me know below what your portfolio looks like so we can compare notes. Why global index funds are non-negotiable? Because when you buy a global index fund, you're not betting on one company or one crypto. You own thousands of the best businesses in the world. You get compounding automatic diversification and long-term economic growth. That is how people retire. That's how people retire early and build and get financial freedom. Not from one potential 500x, but from decades of disciplined investing. Yes, this is a crypto video, but I couldn't resist talking about index investing as it's my favourite way to invest. If you want more info on how to get started with index investing, see below for a recent video. The mindset shift. So the real message of this video is, yes, learn about Tau. Yes, understand the opportunity. Yes, take asymmetric bets, risks, but do it from a position of strength, not desperation, not hype, not because you're trying to get rich in one cycle or the next 6 months, because the real flex is financial security. The real flex is options. The real flex is a portfolio that lets you sleep at night. That's how I think, anyway, for what it's worth. Summary. So, when you see a title like Tau 500x, yes, I've used a bit of clickbait, but try and understand what this channel is really about. It's not about telling you what to buy, it's about teaching you how to think. Because financial education protects you in bear markets, grows your wealth in bull markets, and gives you freedom in the long run, long term. And that is the game we're playing. Not this cycle, not next cycle, not in the next 6 months, but for life. Now, let's say you're like me, you want to invest, you want to build wealth, and you want early retirement. If that's you, see below for a recent video where I tell you about how one of the members of my school community is looking to retire in just 10 years using low-cost global index funds. And on that note, you can also find the link for my private investing community below in the description.